So recently I just started poetry, and then I discovered that there are different perspectives of life. I looked at life of a chicken from when it is hatched. So the processes and every other thing concerning it, how it is groomed, is grown, is fed, the end of it all is to achieve one purpose, and that purpose is to be eaten at the end of the day. But the chicken has to achieve its purpose. It made me to think about the life of a human and how we are here to achieve a purpose. And it gave me perspective about how to live my life and how I should live my life. Perspective. How are you achieving purpose? How are you doing what you ought to do? Perspective.